What's up, YouTube? So, our lovely dogs, Mishka and Chase, attacked a skunk. This is the second time in 1 year that our dogs have done that. So, we have our nephew, Ryder. He's going to clean Chase. That's his dog. And I'm going to clean my dog, Mishka. Sit down. So, Cynthia put tomato juice and what else?
I put Listerine, dog shampoo, ketchup, tomato sauce, and vinegar.
So we looked up remedies on how... That's not blood, it's tomato juice. Don't worry. So we're gonna clean them. So we already know that to wear throwaway clothes because we have to throw this away because it's gonna smell after. All right, so I'm gonna put this camera up and then we're gonna clean them. Yeah, so I got called home from work because Cynthia could not get the dogs from the backyard. They're super hard to get them. So I want to set the camera up in our patio. So yeah.
And here's the shampoo. Do you want me to keep getting water?
No, baby.
Okay.
Ryder, don't be scared.
You're gonna get dirty.
You're gonna get dirty.
It's okay, Bubba. You're gonna get dirty. You'll just take a shower and it'll be all good, okay?
What's up, everybody? So I just got out of the shower and the whole house smells like skunk, like burnt rubber. It's just disgusting. So we put like citronelle oil for burning sage around our house with candles on. But yeah, good old Mishka and Chase running after a skunk for the second time in 1 year. But we washed them with tomato juice, vinegar, Arm & Hammer, Listerine. So yeah, this time I don't think they got sprayed this much because last time Mishka was like banging her head on the floor because she couldn't get the smell out of her nostrils. Paw. Good girl. Paw. The ottoman on top of the couch. My office room. So yeah. Tomorrow morning we probably I have to go check down there to see if they killed it or not. But I'll keep you guys updated if I don't do that video or whatever. Please like and subscribe. I'm tired. I'm beat already. Got called home from work to deal with this shit. So good night. Who's attacking the sandal? Hey. Good night.